Hello family and friends, welcome back to our channel, Berries Are Rust. And today guys, we're going to be shopping for some backsplash for our kitchen, and also we're going to be installing some cabinet pulls. Alright, so we got some stainless steel pulls and we're going to be installing those today. So you guys just hang in there and come join us. A shower, yes? Looks like it.
Do you have to seal in between here?
Yeah.
This is pretty.
Oh yeah.
What do you think?
So these are the 4 options so far, and we're gonna take them home and see how that matches up with everything in the house. So let's go.
Yeah, right?
Okay guys, which one should it be? Definitely not that one. Don't know which one to go with, so we're gonna try to decide between these 4 backsplash here. So somehow, some way we're gonna have to flip a coin, or I don't know, something. Oh, what's this for?
So we're gonna just decide by random numbers based on, 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one you like better, and I'll write down which number I think is better, and then we'll put it down here on the table and see what if we're thinking the same thing or.
Okay. Out of the 4, so of course we list them 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're gonna write down what number we think matches everything in this kitchen, so we can decide on one finally. So I already wrote my number down, and I'll wait for my wife to write her number down. And just to kind of cheat a little bit, this is what I wrote.
Okay, you ready?
So,
Let's see if great minds think alike.
okay.
I'll just open it up and throw it on the table. Ready?
Okay. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Wrong.
I was actually thinking 3, and then I went up closer and I'm like, 2 has a little blue to it.
Get rid of those. So, decisions. What do you guys think? Well, let's just step back for a second. definitely to see if we made the right decision. All right, so this is what it is for now. All right. All right, so the poles for the cabinets, we're gonna install those today. So we got a couple of cabinets that we have to drill holes and put all the poles in. There's nothing here. Of course, we didn't go with the builder's choice. We chose to go with our own, so we just bought our poles. We ordered them online and just got them in. So we're gonna be installing those today. All right, so let's stay tuned while we get started on that. We'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. All right, so let's go. By the way, this thing is gonna come in handy. So we picked this up from Lowe's as well. I don't want to say any names, but I see a lot of people messing up by drilling holes that, you know, that weren't needed. So this will save you a lot of time and a lot of headaches. All right, so make sure you grab one of these if you're going to be installing your poles to make the job a little easier. Okay, so we're going to just unpack a couple of these things. I'm going to grab my drill and come back and start put these things in. All right. So guys, I'm just drilling all the holes in the cabinets. Of course, I'm using the little tool, and it comes with the measurements or inches. So since I'm installing the 3-inch poles, I just look for the 3-inch section and mark it. So I'm just drilling the holes in all the cabinet doors so we can install the poles after. All right, family and friends, and this is the finishing look. Look like we are done with everything. That drawer right above there by the sink, we did not install a pull on that one because it's a little bit too long. So we're gonna get some longer pulls. Even the one right there below the double oven and the one right by the stove, those are longer drawers, like I said. So we're gonna be installing longer pulls. So we have to order those, all right? So we're saving those for another day. Everything else is completed. As you can see, it turned out great. And also, family and friends, I would really appreciate if you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And also, the next video I'm gonna be posting is we're gonna be installing the backsplash in the kitchen and the pendant lights over the island. Okay, so I'm definitely psyched about that video. So hopefully you guys can tune in next week as I post that video, another DIY video. Okay, until next time, guys, you guys be safe, and really appreciate you guys watching. One love. Talk to you later.